Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem reward items on the Chipotle app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so redeeming reward items on the Chipotle app is a very straightforward process that allows you to enjoy free food, drinks, and even merchandise. So in order to redeem rewards, we need to click onto our user icon, top left hand corner of Chipotle, and then make sure to sign in. From here, click onto Chipotle rewards. And now this is where you're going to find all your different Chipotle rewards on this section of the application. Now from here, select the rewards exchange to see what items you can redeem. Rewards range from sides and drinks to full entrees and merchandise. For example, a soft tortilla, time recording is 85 points. If you want chips inside is 350 points, guacamole 500 points, etc. And I think the max one is burrito, bowl, salads, or tacos are around 1600 points. From there, I don't have any rewards in here to show you directly, but if you got any, they're going to appear here. Select and add rewards to your order. So choose a reward you want to add, tap, and then redeem, then add the item to your current order. The discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Then you just simply proceed to checkout and finalize your order. Your selected rewards will be included at no additional cost to you. Now, I've got a few tips for maximizing your rewards. So you need to be active. So stay active. Points expire after 100 days, 180 days of inactivity. Make sure to earn or redeem points within this time frame to keep your balance active. Also, Chipotle occasionally offers promotions like free Potle where you can earn bonus points or surprise rewards. So always keep an eye on app notifications or their social medias for these opportunities. And if your birthday is coming up, so sign up for the Chipotle rewards before your birthday to receive a free meal on your special day. This includes any entree from their menu, such as burritos, bowls, tacos, or salads.